What's happening, folks? I'm just right here with my daughter doing an unboxing. I call this channel just
Victor Ludo.
not
Right?
that. No,
What do you want to change your shape? What the?
it's like a Vicla bagger on a budget. You know what I mean? First video with this little girl. She's gonna be holding the camera after I'm doing.
I'm 90 years old.
So she's getting too much information. So yeah, here's the stuff I bought on Amazon. It's not the best, but it does what it does. The look what I want to go for and everything else. So let me flip this camera around. So here's the package I got. You know what I mean? It gives me that Vicla look, the bagger look. You know what I mean? You know, later on I'll put the link to in the bio or whatever you guys want to call it. Description. So you can buy them if you want them. Alright. There's that. And then we also bought these right here to help me take out the license plate reflectors. So everything was purchased on Amazon on a budget. So I'll show you how I install it, or I'll show you when it's installed. Alright, thanks. Tail lights I'm going to put on that one right there. The difference is going to change out. Big difference. So I want to go over the fish tails. This is the tools you might need. Flatheads, just pop them out. And then this is the thing, T25, take off that upper reflector. So let me get to it and show you the So this is before and after. This is a Turbine turn single I bought on Amazon. Yeah, I mean, don't judge me. I'm on the budget. Yeah, I mean, I ordered some new reflectors. You know, pink to red, clears. I couldn't find no smoke ones, so I went with clear ones. So they're in order. When I get them, I'll do an upgrade on them for you guys. But this is before and after. Big difference. This is what I'm going for with the towel, you know, with the mufflers, the fishtails, and everything else, you know what I mean? So, I'll show you the rest of it, and after I'm done, and I'll show you the other parts I bought from Amazon as well. So I'll put, you know, links to them so you guys can see them out. If you guys want to get them or not, that's fine. Just don't judge me. I'm just on the budget. You know, I like that Vicla look. I just don't got that money for it. You know what I mean? So, alright. Alright, this is the aftermath. Let's catch that one in. Grab another one from out the stable. The Monte Carlo, El Camino, or the El Dorado. Still got to replace the reflectors on the license plate. Decisions. Garage looks like precision collision. Omega beats quake like Waco. Just keep the bass low. Speakers away from your face, though. Dear mama, they sit and sleep to death. Today's my final day. I'm counting every breath. I'm bitter because I'm dying. So much I haven't seen. I know you never dreamed your baby would be dead in 6. Like I said, I'll show you what I got society that doesn't give a shit. And make you quick to say goodbye to me. They tell me the preacher's there for me. He's a crook with a book, that motherfucker. First in the front. He's only here to be sure. I don't drop a dime to God about the crimes he's committing on the board. And how these people judge me. They ain't my peers and they know. They never loved me. Looking good. I never got to be a man. Must be part of some big plan to keep a nigga in the state. Until my homies out burying motherfuckers. Please stay clear of these Aryan motherfuckers. Cause once they got you locked up, they got you shot. You better off getting shot. I'm convinced self-defense is the way. I even got these to keep the levels, you know, not to burn.
Really dead.
That's all I got for now. Until next time, gracias if you're looking and watching, and keep on riding.